So on the ferry ride to the Statue of Liberty, I got a couple shots of the statue. The first one was pretty basic, a rule of thirds shot of the statue showing the whole pedestal and everything. Then the second one, I kind of tried to do something a little more creative. I made it a really wide frame, and then I shot the statue so that it was in the corner out of rule of thirds. The main focus was the sky, and I think that this was an interesting shot. I actually am pretty happy with the way that it turned out. And I also got a few shots of Manhattan from the ferry and from the statue pedestal, because the skyline was really nice there. You could kind of see where it goes up and then where it goes back down and then where the edges of the landmass are. So it really it captured the entire skyline. And then I got a shot of the statue from below, which is, I guess it's a pretty basic shot. But I like the way that it turned out, especially with the clouds kind of surrounding it. And then after that, we went to Ellis Island. So this first shot that I got, basically, there was this entranceway, so it's where the immigrants would have lined up to get their papers processed and immigrated to America. This archway framed the shot really well, and I'm pretty happy with that one. And then I also got some shots of the architecture. I wish that I could have stayed there for longer and gotten more. But yeah, that's basically everything for day 2. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like the video, and subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed the content and you want to see more. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.